Hello, welcome to another Aldi and Lidl tool video. Got a few bits today. I didn't do one last month because a lot of the stuff in Lidl's was the same that I'd already done, but I thought I'd do one today. I went yesterday and had a quick look around. Workzone at Aldi. The first one, £12.99 plier set, 5-piece pliers. You can see on there what you get. Combination long nose pliers, diagonal cutting pliers. Let's have a quick. That is stuck. They've glued it. Oh, that's ridiculous. They've glued it to the actual. Look at that. Why bother? Now it's left a mark on the case. That's not very good, is it? Left a mark on the front and back of the case, but never mind. So here they are. Though I think I've looked at these before, but the ones I looked at before, I actually kept. So you've got an adjustable wrench or adjustable spanner if you like, water pump pliers, diagonal cutting pliers, long nose pliers and combination pliers. All seem to be quite good quality, got an oily sheen to them, oily finish as normal to prevent any corrosion. The last set I looked at I actually kept myself and I do use them. They're alright, they're good quality for £12.99, what do you expect? They're not going to be the top brands, but they do the job they're intended to do. Nicely machined, the jaws fit together okay. Sharp cutting, wire cutting on the pliers and the side cutters. So I like them. I've, like I said, I've got this set I think, or the Parkside equivalent. And £12.99 for 5 different types of pliers. There's the cutters. Again, quite sharp. That's not been machined quite as nicely, but they are what they are for £12.99 from Workzone, aren't they? Then, like I said, they're not going to be top of the range things, but they are worth having for the price if you're trying to build up your tools and you're on a budget. If you want to win this set, leave a comment below. You'll be able to win this set. This is what I'm going to give up for grabs. They obviously come in their own carry case that you can zip up. The carry case does have a mark on it, front and back. Zips up, but that isn't my doing. Obviously that's where the things were. So this camera stand I think is about had it because it keeps wobbling. It's as tight as it will go. Oops, and it is wobbly as hell. I'm gonna have to get another one I think. So yeah, I'll announce a giveaway from last video shortly, but if you want to get your hand on this 5-piece plier set from Workzone at Aldi, leave a comment and I'll draw that in the next video. The next thing they had at Aldi was they had a massive vat and a bin of super glue. Now I picked this one up. These creative pens are what I use all the time. If you ever see me use super glue on Trash to Track or anything, these are extremely controllable. It's in an entirely recyclable blister pack. And for a while these did go out of circulation. I couldn't get them anywhere. But they are back and they are, like I said, very good for use. £2.99 I think these were. They had all different types. All you do is you screw that on to pop the super glue tub, and you can use that. And you squeeze. I'm not going to do it, but you squeeze the sides. Very controllable. And I've found that this doesn't tend. If you use it sparingly, it doesn't leave a white bloom on it. So it's ideal for modelling. I've used it for years. But yes, Loctite super glues. I did need one, so I bought one. £2.99. And there's a list of uses on there. Obviously it's super glue, you know what it is, but it's Loctite. It's a good brand, and it is. I recommend this is the only super glue I use. I don't use any other super glue at all. But yeah, they had a massive bin of that, so I thought I'd pick one up, include it in this video. So the next thing and last thing going on from Aldi was actually not a tool. This home drawer organizer. Now I've got this for modelling use, but you can use it for all sorts. Obviously they've got makeup in it on there, on the packaging. But it's a plastic three drawer storage box, and this was £4.99 I think, or £5.99 from Aldi. Very handy to store things like my modelling glue or you know, scalpels, anything for modelling, makeup, tools, screws, you name it. And it is good quality. It's thick plastic. It doesn't feel cheap and nasty like some of them do. Although saying that, that handle there wasn't screwed on properly. I've just tightened that up. I don't know if the others are okay. Yeah, it's just that one. But yeah, I thought that was alright for what it is. A storage unit, and it's clear as well. I've had a couple of these which are black and you can't see what's in them, but at a glance you can tell exactly what's in this. So I thought that was quite good, so I've got one of them for my workshop. It is the 3-drawer organiser, stackable, so if you bought more than one you can stack them up. Each organiser sold separately, contents not included, well obviously because it's clear, but yeah, currently on sale at Workzone at Aldi. In fact, it was in the craft bit, I think. But it's always worth having a look. They are handy for workshops and things like that. So we're whizzing through this today. Only a few more left to do. Now, the next item I actually got from my local hardware store, Harrison and Dunn. But I have seen these in Aldi, and I haven't featured them on the channel before, but it is these. The 11-piece precision screwdriver set. Now, anybody who's anybody should have one of these. I've had 3 or 4 of these sets for modelling purposes. Can't open that now, need a scalpel. These really are good screwdrivers, and this is what I started off with when I started doing my modelling. So you get all those different sizes, 1mm, 1.2, 1.4. They are, and you get the magnet. But you get a magnetic grip, a scriber, 3 Phillips, and the rest are flathead screwdrivers. As I said, I've used these for years. Tiny, tiny little carry case. Handy to put in your toolbox, in your car, wherever. Very good screwdrivers. Meaning to feature them on a channel for a while. This is what I started off with. And I've still got my original ones. But they are very, very good. Very ergonomic to use. And they were £2.39. You're not going to go wrong with that for £2.39, I don't think. These are made by Decton, but you get them from Black Spur. As I said, I have seen them for sale with Parkside and Workzone. I just haven't featured them on the channel before. Very good, I thought, for the money. And like I said, they were last year's. I've had mine, what, 30 years probably, and I still use them most days when I'm mending model trains. So precision screwdriver set there from various manufacturers. This is Decton, as I said, Black Spur or Parkside. Very good value for money. And they will be in your local hardware store. Just have a check out of that. Or indeed Aldi and Lidl sometimes. So I'll move on to the Lidl stuff now very quickly. And a lot of the stuff in Lidl was the same as I featured on the channel before last time. They hadn't changed. They had a lot of tools, but they hadn't changed from what I've already featured. So I picked up a couple of things just to give away, really. And the first thing was a small spirit level. To keep you all on the level. My desk is level, which is good. £2.99 from Parkside of Lidl, and it is what it is. It's a spirit level at the end of the day. I've featured it on the channel before, I think. But I've done this again. This will feature in the giveaway. So if you want to win the spirit level, leave a comment and I'll pick one at random. But it's 300ml in length, 3 vials to look through, measuring 45, 90 and 100 degree angles. 180 degree angles, sorry. So there's your 45. There's your vertical. So it's a good bit of kit. I've got one of these. Like I said, I've got a large spirit level in this one. This is the one I use the most. Lives on top of my cabinet in the garage most of the time. But I'm not going to open it. But if you want to win that, leave a comment. That is a spirit level from Parkside at Lidl. Now the next 3 items. Now this got a lot of comments in the last video because I got one from Aldi. Now this is the Parkside version that's been released. This is a mobile phone repair kit, or smartphone repair kit in a practical storage box. Now it is virtually, apart from the colour, it is identical to the one I looked at last time, which drew so many comments. So when I saw these in Parkside, there were 3 different sets at £4.99 each. This is part of the giveaway as well, because so many people commented. If you want to win this, leave a comment and I'll send it to you. So it is the same. You've got your miniature screw heads and star screws there for the handle there, for the ratchet handle. You've got your separators, your SIM card unlocker, and a sticky pad there. I assume you just put that on your screen to hold it in place. But it's all there, brand new. There's even the instructions. Not going to go into it in too much detail. Covered this. It is exactly the same as the Workzone one. Exactly the same. I did check before doing the video for the one I kept, but there's your bits you get in there. So I thought, yeah, because it drew so much attention last time, I'd pick one up and you guys can then leave a comment and somebody will win the Parkside smartphone repair set. Now, the other two sets they had in Parkside for the same sort of thing was this. This is a scalpel craft knife set. Various different blades there. And the handle, I'm actually going to keep this one for myself. But we'll just very, very carefully see how... Oh yeah, that is super sharp. That's gone through that like a hot knife through butter. So they are sharp, craft knife set. Handle with the adjustable top there so you can put the 9 of the blades in. Again, comes in its... I'll take that off. Comes in its own carry case, which is handy, keeps it in the toolbox out the way. And the last one they did, I think they only did 3, was a precision screwdriver set, another precision screwdriver set, and again in its handy carry case. And these do stack up, these shapes on the bottom fit into the top like that, and they all stack up rather nicely. So this is a precision screwdriver set with the handle. There's all your bits, your extension bars in there. So I'll just hold that so you can see what it is. Locking handle there for one way or the other. So it's very good. For $4.99 I thought these were really good value for money. The craft knife set I'm actually going to keep, but these two I'm going to give away as one. I've got loads of these little bit sets now. So that is one prize if you want to win the precision screwdriver set and the smartphone repair kit. That is one prize right there. Right, last but not least, it's been a very quick video this time, was another pliers set from Parkside. This is a 4 hobby pliers on the back here. Handles within a spring, bri material handles, 1 needle nose side cutters, combination pliers and round nose pliers. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I might keep them. I don't know what this is. A little bit of paper with an instruction manual in. Let's try and can't release them. I think that's supposed to pull off there. I don't know where that went, but it doesn't pull off very easy. I had this problem before with something from Parkside, if I remember rightly. Right, now I've released them. These are the small pliers. They're going to be handy. I've got a few pliers, but I haven't these have got nice ergonomic handles on them. To be honest, they're quite dirty. It looks like they've been used and repackaged. I mean, it's not... These were £7, I think. And them ones we did earlier in the nice... in the nice packet, would it have killed Lidl to put these in a nice storage box? I mean, they're okay for what they are. We'll just try and break out the side cutters. God, this plastic that they use is awful. It really is awful. There's the side cutters. Hopefully that will cut through that plastic a bit better, which it does. So I'll release the other 3. The other 2, sorry. So there you got your long nose pliers with the with the smooth jaws and the needle nose pliers. They're okay quality. They've got nice rubber handles, nice soft grip on them. Could have come in a nice handy carry case, but they haven't, so they're going to be loose in your toolbox. But it is what it is. I'm going to keep those for myself, just to supplement my own tools. I like them. They'll do the job that I need them to do. Again, plier set, 4-piece plier set from Parkside of Lidl. So I'm going to go on to the draw now for these things we had last month, or January should I say. And that was the Workzone screwdriver set, if you remember. It was in the holder. That was won by the person who left the comment, by user Malcolm James SG32G. Malcolm James SG32G, you've won the Workzone screwdriver set, and the Parkside screwdriver set, I think it was won the comment random picker picked Andrew Silcox 4148. Andrew Silcox 4148. My email address is on screen. And Malcolm James SG32G. Leave a email me, and we'll get those sent over to you. So only a small selection this time round. Like I said, I tried to mix it up and get a few bits for the giveaway. If you want to win these two, the Spirit Level, or indeed this large plier set, leave a comment and I will pick a couple of random winners next time round, and you could be a winner. So share the video with your friends. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching again. Andrew Silcox 4148, Malcolm James SG32G. Pop me an email and we'll get those sent off to you. And remember, this time you could win those two, Spirit Level or this plier set. So as I said, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you all again in the next video. Bye for now.